Welcome to Native Speakers Channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to Native Speakers Channel. I'm Sarah, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Today's lesson is going to be super practical because we're focusing on something you'll use all the time when traveling or living in an English-speaking country: master restaurant ordering, communication skills practice. Whether you're at a fancy restaurant, a casual cafe, or a fast food establishment, knowing how to order confidently in English will make your dining experience significantly smoother and more enjoyable. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. Part 1. Arriving at the restaurant. Greeting and seating. When you first arrive at a restaurant, you'll typically be greeted by a host or hostess. Here are some common exchanges you might hear. Host: Good evening. Welcome to Bella Italia. Do you have a reservation? You: Yes, I have a reservation for 2 under the name Johnson. Or you: No, we don't have a reservation. Do you have a table available for 4? Host: Of course. Right this way, please. Your table is ready. Key vocabulary and phrases. Table for number. This is how you tell them how many people are in your party. Do you have a reservation? They're asking if you booked ahead. Walk-in. A customer without a reservation. There's about a 20-minute wait. How long will you need to wait for a table? Would you prefer a booth or a table? 2 different seating options. Indoor or outdoor seating, asking where you'd like to sit. Practice Dialogue 1, arriving without a reservation. Host: Hi there, welcome to the Garden Cafe. How many in your party? Customer: Just 2, please. Host: Great, would you prefer to sit inside or on the patio? It's a beautiful day. Customer: The patio sounds perfect, thanks. Host: Wonderful, follow me this way. Part 2. Understanding the menu. Reading the menu. Menus in English-speaking countries are typically organized into sections. Let's look at common menu sections. Appetizers or starters, small dishes served before the main course, soup, salad, wings, bruschetta. Entrees or main courses, the main dish of your meal, pasta, steak, fish, chicken. Sides, additional items that accompany your main course: fries, vegetables, rice, mashed potatoes. Desserts, sweet dishes served at the end: cake, ice cream, pie. Beverages, drinks, soft drinks, coffee, tea, juice, alcoholic beverages. Understanding menu descriptions. Restaurant menus often include detailed descriptions. Here's an example. Pan-seared salmon, fresh Atlantic salmon fillet, pan-seared to perfection, served with roasted asparagus, garlic mashed potatoes, and a lemon butter sauce. Let's break down the cooking terms. Pan-seared, cooked quickly in a very hot pan. Grilled, cooked over an open flame or grill. Roasted, cooked in an oven at high heat. Steamed, cooked using steam. Fried or deep fried, cooked in hot oil. Baked, cooked in an oven. Braised, slow cooked in liquid. Dietary information. Modern menus often include symbols or notes for V, vegetarian, no meat; VG, vegan, no animal products; GF, gluten-free, spicy indicator, often shown with chili pepper symbols. Part 3. Interacting with your server. When the server arrives. After you're seated, your server will approach your table. Here's a typical greeting. Server: Good evening, my name is Mike, and I'll be taking care of you tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink? You: I'd like a glass of red wine, please. What do you recommend? Server: Our house Cabernet is excellent. Would you like to see the wine list? You: That sounds perfect. I'll have the Cabernet. Asking questions about the menu. Don't be shy about asking questions. Servers expect it. Here are useful question patterns. What do you recommend? Asking for suggestions. What's the most popular dish? Finding out what other customers love. What comes with the dish name? Asking about what's included. Is this dish spicy? Asking about the spice level. Can you tell me more about the dish name? Getting more details. Does this contain ingredient? Checking for allergens or preferences. How big are the portions? Asking about serving size. Practice dialogue 2. Asking questions. Customer. Excuse me, I'm trying to decide between the chicken parmesan and the grilled salmon. What would you suggest? Server. Both are fantastic choices. The chicken parmesan is one of our most popular dishes. It's a generous portion with crispy breading and lots of melted cheese. The salmon is lighter and comes with fresh vegetables. It depends on what you're in the mood for. Customer. The salmon sounds great. Is it very spicy? Server. No, it's not spicy at all. It has a mild lemon butter sauce. But if you like spicy, we can add our house-made chili oil on the side. Customer. Perfect. I'll go with the salmon. No chili oil. Thank you. Part 4. Placing your order. The basic order structure. When you're ready to order, the server will ask, "Are you ready to order?" Or, "What can I get for you?" Here's how to respond. Yes, I'd like the dish name, please. I'll have the dish name. Can I get the dish name? I'd like to order the dish name. Customizing your order. You can customize your order in many ways. Temperature for meat. I'd like my steak medium rare, please. Rare, medium, medium well, well done. Cooking preferences. Can I get that without onions? Could I have extra cheese on that? Can you make that with no sauce? I'd like dressing on the side, please. Substitutions. Can I substitute the fries for a salad? Is it possible to get steamed vegetables instead of rice? Could I swap the mashed potatoes for a baked potato? Practice dialogue 3, placing a complete order. Server. Are you folks ready to order? Customer 1. Yes, I'll have the Caesar salad to start, and then the grilled chicken sandwich. Can I get that with sweet potato fries instead of regular fries? Server. Absolutely. And how would you like your chicken cooked? Customer. Well done, please. Server. Perfect. And for you, sir? Customer 2. I'd like the tomato soup and the ribeye medium rare. Does that come with a side? Server. Yes, it comes with your choice of 2 sides, mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables, coleslaw, or french fries. Customer. I'll take the mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables. Server. Excellent choices. I'll get these orders in for you right away. Part 5. During the meal. Server check-ins. Your server will check in on you during the meal. Server. How is everything tasting? You. Everything is delicious, thank you. Or, you. Actually, this steak is a bit more well done than I'd like. Could I possibly get it cooked a little less? Server. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me take it back to the kitchen and have them prepare a new one for you right away. Requesting additional items. Could I get some more water, please? May I have some extra napkins? Can we get another basket of bread? Could you bring some ketchup when you get a chance? Excuse me, we need more silverware. Polite language patterns. Notice how we use these polite forms. Could I, we, very polite. May I, we, formal and polite. Can I, we, casual but still polite. Would it be possible to, very polite, for bigger requests? Adding please and thank you makes everything sound friendlier. Part 6. Handling problems politely. Common issues and how to address them. Sometimes things don't go perfectly. Here's how to handle common problems. Wrong order. I'm sorry, but I ordered the pasta, not the pizza. Could we get this sorted out? Food not cooked correctly. Excuse me, I asked for this medium rare, but it's quite well done. Would it be possible to get another one? Missing items. We didn't receive the side salad that was supposed to come with this dish. Food quality issues. I hate to complain, but this soup is cold. Could you warm it up for me? Taking too long. Excuse me, we ordered about 30 minutes ago. Could you check on our food? The golden rule: be polite but clear. Servers want to fix problems, starting with phrases like, "I'm sorry to bother you, but," or "Excuse me, there seems to be," helps maintain a friendly tone.
Part 7. Dessert and Coffee. After the main course. Server: can I clear these plates for you? Would you like to see the dessert menu? You: yes, please. What desserts do you recommend? Server: our chocolate lava cake is amazing and the tiramisu is house-made. We also have a fantastic key lime pie. You: the chocolate lava cake sounds incredible. I'll have that. Server: great choice. Would you like coffee or tea with that? You: I'd love a cappuccino, please. Coffee and tea options. When ordering hot beverages, you might be asked, regular or decaf, with or without caffeine, room for cream? Do you want space to add cream or milk? Would you like that hot or iced? Temperature preference. Coffee types are espresso, cappuccino, latte, americano, regular coffee. Tea types are black tea, green tea, herbal tea, chamomile, peppermint. Part 8. Getting the check and paying. Requesting the bill. When you're ready to leave, could we get the check, please? Can we have the bill? Common in British English. We're ready for the check when you get a chance. Check, please. Casual but common. Understanding the bill. The check will typically show itemized list, all dishes and drinks ordered, subtotal, total before tax and tip, tax, sales tax, varies by location, suggested tip. Many restaurants show 15%, 18%, and 20% options. Total, final amount. Payment methods. Server: I can take that for you whenever you're ready. Will this be together or separate? You: together, please. Can I pay with a card? Server: of course. I'll be right back with the card reader. Or, we'd like to split it, please. Dividing the bill between people. Could we get separate checks? Each person pays individually. Tipping culture. In the United States and Canada, tipping is customary. 15%, minimum for acceptable service. 18 to 20% is standard for good service. 20% plus for excellent service. To calculate, subtotal times 0.18 equals tip amount. Many people double the tax as a quick estimate for 18 to 20%. Practice dialogue 4. Paying the bill. Customer: excuse me, could we get the check, please? Server: absolutely. I'll bring that right over. Did you save room for dessert or are you all set? Customer: we're all set, thank you. It was delicious. Server: wonderful. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. Here's your check. Take your time and I'll be back in a few minutes. A few minutes later. All right, will this be cash or card today? Customer: card, please. Server: perfect. I'll just take this and be right back with your receipt. Part 9. Special situations. Dietary restrictions and allergies. It's crucial to communicate allergies clearly. I have a severe nut allergy. Can you make sure there are no nuts in this dish? I'm lactose intolerant. Does this contain any dairy? I'm a vegetarian. Are there any meat products in this sauce? I have celiac disease. Is this gluten-free? Servers are trained to take allergies seriously. Don't feel embarrassed to ask. Ordering for children. Do you have a kids menu? Could we get a high chair, please? Can we get the chicken tenders with no sauce? Could you bring some crayons for the kids? Takeout and delivery orders. Phone ordering. Hi, I'd like to place a takeout order. What time will it be ready for pickup? Can I get that for delivery? I'd like to add item to my order. Making reservations. I'd like to make a reservation for 4 people for Saturday at 7 p.m. Do you have any availability for tomorrow evening? Can I book a table for 6 on the patio? I need to change my reservation from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Part 10. Cultural tips and etiquette. American and Canadian restaurant etiquette. Cell phones. Keep conversations quiet. Avoid loud phone calls. Volume, speak at a moderate volume, be mindful of other diners. Server interaction, make eye contact, be friendly, say please and thank you. Pace, don't rush, but also don't linger excessively after paying if the restaurant is busy. Complaints, address issues politely with your server first, not the manager. What servers appreciate? Patience during busy times, clear communication about orders and preferences, politeness even when something goes wrong, reasonable expectations about timing and customization, fair tipping for good service. Part 11. Useful phrases summary. Starting your visit. Table for number, please. Do you have any specials today? Could I see the wine list? Ordering. I'd like to start with, for my main course, I'll have, can I get that with, instead of X, could I have Y? During the meal. This is delicious. Could I get some more water? Everything is perfect, thank you. Handling issues. Excuse me, there seems to be a problem. I'm sorry, but this isn't what I ordered. Would it be possible to... Finishing up. That was wonderful, thank you. Could we get the check? We'd like to split the bill. Keep the change when paying cash. Part 12. Advanced vocabulary. Food preparation terms. Al dente, pasta cooked to be firm to the bite. Sautéed, cooked quickly in a little oil or butter. Poached, cooked gently in simmering liquid. Caramelized, cooked until sugars brown. Marinated, soaked in a seasoned liquid before cooking. Glazed, coated with a shiny sauce. Restaurant staff. Host or hostess greets and seats guests. Server or waiter or waitress takes orders and serves food. Sommelier, wine expert. Chef, prepares the food. Busser, clears tables and helps servers. Bartender, makes drinks. Dining styles. Fine dining, upscale, formal restaurant. Casual dining, relaxed, table service restaurant. Fast casual, counter service with higher quality than fast food. Fast food, quick service, often with a drive-through. Buffet, self-service, all you can eat. Conclusion. Congratulations, you've just completed a comprehensive lesson on restaurant ordering in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these phrases and patterns, the more confident you'll become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Restaurant staff are generally very patient and want to help you have a great experience. Next time you're at a restaurant, try using some of these phrases. Start with simple orders and gradually work up to more complex customizations. Before you know it, ordering in English will feel completely natural. Thank you so much for joining me today on Native Speakers Channel. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical English lessons. Leave a comment below and tell me, what's your favorite restaurant dish to order? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy learning and bon appetit!